Today I'm going to show you how to hit every single part of your back with zero equipment. How you doing, folks? Howard Score here from UnGym Yourself. Click on the subscribe link below to get all the information you're ever going to need on working out without a gym. Of all of the body parts, the back is the hardest to work out without a gym. I don't know if you've noticed this, but since the pandemic, affordable dumbbells are harder to come by than freaking diamonds. So everything I'm going to show you today, you can do with basic household equipment, stuff that you should have at home. So all you need is a gym bag, some heavy books that you're not using, and a towel. Standard household equipment. So right now, one of the things that's mostly useless to me is a gym bag. But if you have a gym bag at home, believe it or not, it is now a valuable piece of equipment in your household. Let me show you how it's done. Here I have a bunch of books, the heaviest ones I could find. So what you're gonna do, take the gym bag, take your books, load them up in the gym bag. The beautiful thing about this, right, is as you want to increase weight, just get heavier and more books. Building the brain and the body at the same time. Bada boom, bada bing. You now have a piece of equipment to do back with. So when doing this, slightly bend the knees, stick the butt back. You're going to roll the shoulders back and down, pull the thumbs into the belly button, almost as if you're doing a traditional TBar row. But the beautiful thing about the gym bag is it actually allows you to pull closer to your body than if you were doing a TBar row. Next one is the seated towel roll. And what I love about this one is you can also work on some leg flexibility while you're doing it. So what you're going to do is take any kind of long towel that you have, all right? You're going to place it on the middle part of your foot. You're going to grab onto the towel. And then what you're going to do is, using the resistance of your own leg, is pull into your body and then stretch the leg out. Get a nice stretch in the hamstring. And then come back and pull down. Don't pull up, because we don't want to jack up the upper traps. So I know you're just thinking, Howie, this is stupid. It's just a freaking towel in my leg. But it can actually be much more challenging just by manipulating time under tension. What do I mean by that? That means if I really, really push with my leg, all of a sudden there's a lot more tension than you ever think is possible. So I want to go about a 2 or 3 second pull, right? And what I'm trying to do also is bring my scapular back and down, right? So then I'm using the lower and mid fibers of my back to really pull and get a nice tall spine while I'm doing this. And then the other trick is on the return, right? On the deceleration. Slowly, 3 seconds. So the whole exercise itself is going to take you about 6 or 7 seconds. Pull, stretch, get the spine tall, get that scapular back, really feel the back squeezing, and then slowly return. You're going to feel this a lot more than you think. There's 2 more exercises I want you to do for back, and they're not the traditional back exercises. What do I mean by that? I mean that traditionally, people overdevelop their upper traps. We're all jacked up in our upper traps automatically. Why? Because we're like this, typing on a computer. We're like this all day. We're on the phone. We're like this all day. We're always already overstimulated, overjacked up in our upper traps. So it's really important, just for symmetry, that we strengthen the mid and lower traps. Tie your traps. So when doing this, remember, you're spelling out the word tie, T-Y. So that means you come down, you make the letter T. You squeeze the hell out of it. You slowly come down. Then you come up, you form the letter Y. And once again, Y, as in, why the hell am I doing this? To hit my middle and lower traps. That's why you're doing it. So, T, Y. Tie your traps. Check it out. It's harder than you think. Here's a sample workout of what back day would look like with zero equipment. Go through this. If it's not challenging enough, then either increase the weight, increase the time under tension, or on the Ys and the Ts, consider adding 3 to 5 pounds, either a dumbbell or a water bottle on each hand. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this helpful. And in other videos, I will cover ways to hit the back with dumbbells and ways to hit the back with pull-ups. This is just to give you a creative way to hit the back if you have zero equipment.